Welcome back to Fab Automotive Detailing. You guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what has quickly become my favorite interior detailer because it cleans well, it protects from UV rays, and it has anti-static properties to keep this less dust inside your vehicle, which is what we all look for when it comes to an interior cleaner. It's so annoying when you get dust all over the inside of your car. It's going to help repel that, you guys. It is all around great product, and I'm going to show you guys what it is here in just a second. So let's do it. So before we get this video started, if you haven't done so, take a second, go down below the video, hit that subscribe button. We make detailing videos, product review videos, ceramic coating videos, tool review videos, stuff like that on this channel. If that stuff interests you guys, hit that subscribe button, turn on the little bell so that every time I upload a video, you do get notified. All right, you guys, so the product that I am talking about is Next Level Car Care's Interior Detailer. I have quickly become a humongous fan of this product. This is the first bottle that I had. I met the owner of this company last year at a car show in September in 2023. He gave me this small bottle to test out. I love it. It works so good. So now I'm on to a bigger bottle because that's how much I absolutely love this product. The great thing about this product, you guys, you spray it on and you can immediately wipe depending on how dirty the surface is. But if you hit it with a brush and then you wipe it up, you guys are gonna see on this truck, it cleans exceptionally well, leaves protection, and is anti-static. Once again, I'm gonna read the back really quick and we're gonna get right into the demo. Next Level Interior Detailer safely removes dirt and body oils from all interior surfaces such as dashboards, steering wheels, door panels, shift knobs, and leather and vinyl seats. Cleans and restores to a nice factory sheen, which is what I love. I don't want a shiny dash. It has a nice factory look. While protecting against harmful UV rays. The conditioners in this formula brings back the life to dry and neglected interior surfaces while restoring a matte factory look appearance. Anti-static agents and zero residue formula help repel light dust and dirt while maintaining a clean, smooth feel. My favorite part about this whole thing is, you guys know me, it is made in USA and it is eco-friendly, which is another plus, you guys. Love the bottling. Let me show you guys what this stuff does. All right, so let me show you what we're working with. This truck was absolutely hammered. This is a construction worker's truck. He's going to sell it. Actually does concrete work, as you guys can see. Getting in and out of the driver's side, it is really bad. I saved the worst panel for this video to show you guys how well it cleans and the nice finish it's going to give you. And then we'll do it on this panel here, on the door panel. I'll show you guys using on this, and that's going to be about it. There's not a whole lot to show you when it comes to an interior cleaner. That's going to be perfect to show you the dirt removal, the finished look it's going to give you, and same thing here with the door panel. So let's get going. Hopefully I don't get in your way. I'll do my best to not get in your way. You guys should have seen this truck. I didn't have time to make full videos on this. It was really bad though. So as you can see, there's nothing on the towel at the moment. So what we're gonna do, I'll show you doing it by hand here first. Let's just do that, what the heck. Okay, spray it on. You guys can see it right there. We're just gonna go in by hand and remove what we can by hand. You guys can see all the dirt that it's picking up. Okay, we'll leave that. Let's do this with a brush. That's my favorite way to do it on dirty panels. On light panels, yeah, you can do it just with the towel and you're good to go. So I'm just gonna come in here, you guys, I'm just gonna agitate. Sometimes in detailing, you gotta put a little bit of elbow grease into it. Now this is kind of an extreme situation here because this product isn't really designed for crazy cleaning like we're doing here. But I discovered how well it works as a cleaner, so that's why I wanted to bring this video to you guys. I may have to go over it again, we'll see. Right now it's looking pretty good. Maybe a little bit left right there. But let me show you guys the difference. Okay, so the one that I did by hand, as you can see, couldn't get all the way down into, let's take the camera this way. So you guys can kind of see some dirt and stuff in the grain, because I did that by hand with just a towel. Look at this. other than this, whatever this goo right here is, that is clean as a whistle. This looks fantastic. It is such a good cleaner for what it is, for being just an interior detailer. It's not really a big time cleaner like I said earlier. That looks so nice. So we're gonna hit this, and let's go ahead and hit this. That's pretty nasty too right there. The other thing is, if you get it on glass, you guys, it's actually a pretty good glass cleaner. Now, I don't know what's in it, so I don't recommend it on tinted windows. But if it gets on just regular glass, it actually cleans glass really well. I told the owner of the company that when he gave me the sample, because I saw him the next day at the car show. And I said, hey, man, that thing works good on glass. He's like, well, it's not supposed to be on glass. I said, yeah, but it works good on glass. I test everything. When I test products, test it on anything that I would use on the interior, or if you get overspray, right? Gosh, I mean, look at that. That makes that look brand new. And this, you guys, this truck has never been cleaned. And it's a, what year is this? This is a January of 05, so this is an 05. And he's a construction worker, and like I said, it's never been cleaned. I know the owner. He just works with his trucks, and that's it. He doesn't clean them. He really doesn't care about them, but now he's cleaning them to make sure, I don't know why I sprayed right there, to make sure that it's good and clean so he can sell it. Now it doesn't foam up, as you guys can see, which is fine. Doesn't have to foam. I'm trying to get that goo right there if I can. Probably need a stiffer brush. But you're talking about trim pieces that are almost 20 years old, never been cleaned, and it already looks that good with this product. Okay, look at all that. Look at that. Looks like brand new plastic, other than some scuffs that you can't do anything with. And this, try not getting your guys' shadow. Looks absolutely amazing. You guys are seeing why I love it. I mean, look, it looked like that before, and that stuff is in the grain. Look. You can't just remove it, and it gets in there and it just cleans impeccably well. All right, let me show you on the door panel. All right, so I'm gonna move you guys over real quick while you're on the tripod. As you can see, there's still dirt. That's actually a rip right back there. You guys can see that. Okay, new towel, no dirt on it. What I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go ahead and just spray it. Now I'm not gonna spray directly on the switches. I'm gonna spray around them. Okay, let's go ahead and do it. Let's just wipe it first, just like earlier, because it cleans really well. Even just wiping it without even really agitating with a brush, which is why I love it, because it makes it a fantastic maintenance product. If you keep your interior clean, look at all that dirt it's bringing off of it. You keep your interior clean, this product is going to make your life a lot easier. You're going to love the smell. It smells amazing. You're just going to absolutely love it, like I did. This is why I love testing new products of companies I've never heard of before, because if I wouldn't have found this product, if I wouldn't have at least said, yeah, I'll try it. You know, when he wanted to give me the bottle, if I'd have said, nah, I'm not interested, I'd have never found this product. So it's pretty cool. So let me show you guys what that looks like. Right off the bat, you notice no shine. That you're just seeing the light. Just looks like a factory new dash, but there is a little bit of dirt left over here and there. And I want to do these switches. Now I'll do those by hand. And let me show you guys exactly how I'm going to do that. So I'm going to take it, spray just a little bit in the end of the brush. Now these switches, it's an 05, they're still protected though. There's still seals in, but I don't want to soak them. Sounds terrible, doesn't it? Okay, and come in, I'm just going to wipe them. Gosh, it looks... Wow. I mean, his products so far, I haven't used a single one that I don't love. It looks like a brand new switch. Remember how the switch was almost white before? Look at that. You guys saw, very little effort too. All that white's gone. That looks like a brand new switch housing. Okay, so now what I want to do, I'm gonna spray it here where this dirt is, because that's actual dirt, right? Anything that I kind of think I need to get with the brush. That's it. Okay, that dirt's gone. I can see the dirt in the liquid, I guess is the best way to say that. As I'm going around and brushing. Now you don't want it to dry, obviously, because it'll be dirty again. Just want to get in here, get your agitation done. It also works really well on leather too. This leather and this was absolutely hammered. Like I said, 20 years of never having it cleaned. I used a very heavy duty cleaner to clean the leather because it was really bad. But on maintained leather, this works well and it has UV protection, so it's going to protect your leather. It's not going to hurt your leather. Yeah, see, and now that dirt's gone. That was right there. We've got our original gray color back. Everything looks really good. Really good. Absolutely love this stuff. All right, let me show you guys. I'm going to clean this steering wheel. As you can see, his hand has been here, so this is all worn away. Obviously, nothing you can do about that. But what I want to show you guys is about getting a lot of this dirt and stuff out. Hope you guys can see that well. Let's just see how well it will clean the steering wheel. Hopefully I won't be in your way, but most likely I will be. There's not a whole lot that I can really do about that. I'll do my best to give you guys a view though. I'm going to spray it directly in. It's too bad. It has to have a lot. It has to have a lot. I'm gonna have to get a different brush too. I need to get into that GMC, and this one's just, yeah, that'll work if I hold the bristles. Did I hit record? Yeah. I do that all the time. Not sure if I hit record. You know why? Because I've done it a million times. Talking to my son, you guys, he's over here. On the other side of the truck, recovering from ankle surgery just a few weeks ago. Okay, that looks way better. Take it to the dry side. Okay, now we're on the switches. There's a lot of junk on these switches, but I don't want to spray the switches. So we're just going to come in here. Do that. All the junk's gone. I'll show you guys here in just a second. Let me do all the switches and I'll get you guys off. And that'll be it. We'll close the video out. The main thing on interior detailer is just showing you guys what the end result is. Like right there, I did not get it all. So these weren't even white before. Let me hit this one again. Obviously, I did not do the whole steering wheel. But remember all the dirt that was in there? It's gone. This looks great. The switches were nasty. In fact, they looked like that. I didn't get that very well. That looks better. That one looks pretty decent. I just need to spend a little bit more time on them. I'm kind of doing this fast. I need to get this done, but I mean, that looks really good compared to the way it started out. So as you guys saw right there, Interior Detailer by Next Level Car Care, fantastic product. I cannot speak highly enough about this product. These panels look so good for never ever being cleaned in their entire life. And steering wheel turned out good. The door panel, the switch housing looks really good. Very easy product to use. You don't have to use a brush, but you get better results when you use a brush. But if you're doing it as a maintenance product for your dashboard, your steering wheel, your door panel that you maintain already yourself, all you need is a towel, this product, and you are good to go. It's going to protect the dashboard. It's going to help repel light dust from accumulating on your panel, which is awesome, you guys. Gives you that factory matte look, which is what I go for. Now I get it. Some people, they want a high shine dash. I get it. We all have different tastes. This is not for you if you want a high shine. If you want that factory look like this right here. Interior detailer by Next Level Car Care. You guys absolutely love it, and made in the USA. So I will leave a link in the description on the video, you guys, where you guys can purchase this product and check out all the other products from Next Level Car Care for his website. Also, if it's on Amazon, I will put it in my Amazon store. There will be a link in the description of the video also where you guys can find this in my Amazon store, and you can check it out there if you want to also. So I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video and checking it out. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, join the Fab family. We'd love to have you. We'll see you in the next video.